Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to hide facial layer for cosplay. First of all, I use the micellar water to remove all the makeup I have on my eyebrows. In this case, I'm gonna show you how to cover one of your eyebrows. Then the next step is to use a cleanser. You have to clean very well your face, your entire face, and also your eyebrows. I put some water into this patch and I just massage all the product into my face. Then with another patch which is cleaned, I just dry my face. Now it's time to use the glue. Using a plastic knife, scrape a little bit of glue. I won't do it because I don't have a plastic knife, but if you have, you can do it. Starting from the outer edge of your eyebrow, closest to the ear, wipe the glue over your eyebrow. Then you have to apply concealer on the top of the glue over your eyebrow and just let it dry. You can use the concealer you prefer, but I suggest you to use a stick concealer because it's easier to work with it. It has also a high coverage effect. At this point, I blended the product a little bit with my finger. And the last step is to use setting powder. I apply the setting powder on the zone of interest, and I do more layers of setting powder to be sure that it's all fixed well. Okay, we're done. This is the before, the other eye, and this is the after. You can see the difference. I really hope this was helpful. Bye!